and we'll see with the problem what is the parameters. So see, the circuit is given with all the values. Okay, so they are asking you to find the voltage gain. Same thing, AV, AVF, RI, RIF, R0, R0 F, R0 dash, R0 F dash. So we will be repeatedly finding only those parameters. Okay, those 8 parameters only we will be finding. HFE is given 19, HIE is given 2K. So first, since we have two transistors, we have to find what is the voltage gain of first transistor, voltage gain of second transistor, and then multiply AV1 and AV2. See, the formula for gain is standard formula is this one, HFE into R01 by HIE. What is R01? It is the output resistance of your first transistor. HFE, you know, it is 90. HIE is going to be 2K. R01. You see, in the output side of your transistor 1, you have one resistance RC, you have R1, R2 there, and you have HIE of this transistor. And you will find that all these are in parallel. So RC parallel to R1, parallel to R2, parallel to HIE. So you know, when you do DC analysis, you will be grounding the voltage source, right? So we see this one is just like I am grounding it. So when you ground it, you can see, correct, this point will become common for all the things. So RC is between collector and ground, R1 is between collector and ground, R2 is between collector and ground, and HIE is between collector and ground. So everything will be between the same terminal. So you can say that RC, R1, R2, HIE, everything is parallel. So RC is 22K. See here, in the first transistor, RC is 22K, parallel to 220K, parallel to 100K, parallel to HIE. HIE is 2K. So 22 parallel to 220, parallel to 22, parallel to 2. So definitely the value will be lesser than the least. So R01 is 1.67 kilo ohms. See, analysis, I told you, it is not in your syllabus, and direct formulas you can even use it in the problems also. You need not derive how these equations are got. So you can use the equations and write the expressions. So AV1, if you substitute, you get the gain of the first amplifier is 82.7. Second amplifier, the same formula, AV2 equal to HFE into R02 by HIE. What is R02? The output resistance of your second transistor. In the output side, you see you have RC dash, and R1, R2 are series. You can see in the output side, R1, R2 in series. So here R1, R2 are series. So R3, R4 they have used. So RC dash parallel to R3 plus R4. RC dash is 4.7K. R3 plus R4, substitute the values, you get 2.95K. So AV2 is 146. So the gain of the first amplifier is 82.7. The gain of second amplifier is 140.